was going to let you guys know how this, when I switch the fuel line up, I've noticed it gives it more power, easier to start. I haven't taken it on a long drive yet, but I just took it down the road here. The power is quicker. When you give it gas, it goes a lot smoother. So I think that's fixed the problem. And now what I'm gonna do this next week, I'm gonna take this old line out, and either I'll run another line the way it is, or I'll run it underneath somehow. But bypassing this huge filter that was under here made all the difference. So that's a good thing. And today I'm going to be using some Forma thread. The threads right here are stripped. I've used it before on different things and it's worked really well. If you don't know what it is, it's like you put a releasing agent on the bolt, and you mix the two other tubes together, put it in there, screw the bolt in, and let it set. And when you unscrew it, when you take this bolt out, it'll leave the thread. You know, the threads will be there. It turns to like metal, I guess, but however it works pretty good. So anyway, I'm going to use it on this. I'll be doing this today, and I'll do another little update video on it. I would do it while I have the phone on, but I don't have a tripod where I can hold both, and I need two hands. So anyway, it should work out pretty good. So that's a little short update I have for you. I'll talk to you guys later. And this is the Loctite Forma thread I was talking about. I'll be using to fix the threads on the bolt that holds the alternator. So if you're wondering, this is what it is. I got it off Amazon.